That car came with a suspended license and 6 tickets.
Yo, this is, ooh, this clean. When y'all see this, yo, this is the unveil of my boy's new whip. The unveil of my boy's new whip. Hey, look, man. My boy say he brought a new car. Now, check this out. We in the parking lot, right? This the parking lot to the front of the business. He parked all the way around the corner. Did he really park all the way around the corner? Nah, he ain't park around here. Oh, he really did. He really did. Yo, this is... Yo, this the one. Ooh. He said he spent this, yo, this clean. This clean. When y'all see this, I'm feeling this color. This color, damn, I ain't never seen, yo, the grill on this, that's futuristic. I ain't never seen no grill like that. Yo, this is the unveil of my boy's new whip. He killing the game. The fact that he spent this much money on it and he got it parked around the corner, I'm like, yo, so y'all ready for the unveil? Bruh. Here's the unveil of my boy's new whip. He parked all the way around the corner just so he wouldn't get hit. Y'all remember the grill that I was telling y'all about? Look at that thing right there, boy. Ain't nobody got a paint job like this, bro. Nobody. Look, he got the tile spots at the top. Yo, the gray blended in. Ooh, yo, look at that custom feature right there. My boy got the look. Ain't nobody else got the loose.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
The wheels. Look at the wheels. Look at the wheels. Bruh, this is clean, bruh. Stop, bro. Look at the interior, my guy.
Brand new!
It is open, bruh. Look, oh my God. Yo, this clean. I ain't really lying. This is like really clean, bro. Look at the system up in this thing, bro. Look at the... Ooh, a little bit of dust right there, but yo, this thing is bussin'. This is bussin'. Yo,
I know you gonna dig this.
Look at the paint job on that thing right there. Stop playing with your boy. Yo, custom body right there. You know, he got the wide body right here. It's bent out a little bit. Boy, stop playing. The wheels.
Look at the wheels.
Yo, I'm feeling this, Zo. This the one.
Good to go.
Yeah, you picked it out nice. That's the one right there. I'm feeling that. Yeah. We gonna go. Yo, one more time for the grill, y'all. One more time for the grill. He is not playing with the game. He about to hit downtown in this thing right now. I see him pulling like 4.5 in there. Y'all know when I say 4.5, I mean them itches 4-5 inches in that thing. Stop playing with the game. But and he parked right next. But yeah, he parked right next to the. You already know. Y'all get the metaphor? Look at the wheels. Look at the wheels. We about to go back in right now. I'm about to have him give me a full review. Where he bought it from. How much he spent on it. He said he did some engine work to it. He said he did some grill work to it. Bruh. I'm low-key jealous. What's up, my guy? How you doing? Yeah. So, I'm feeling it, bruh. I'm feeling it, bruh.
Hey, did you see that joint?
I'm feeling it, bruh. I bet you 1 million views.
Hey, deny.
Bro, why you parking right next to the trash can, though? My boy parked it next to the dumpster.
Hey, look, I don't expect nobody to go on that side.
Bro, you know your door is open, right?
Yeah.
You know somebody could just steal that car.
Yeah. Nobody finna steal that damn car.
You said what?
Somebody might go over there and take your Cadillac converter off.
Right now.
Just because.
They gotta find that joint.
Bro, that's the easiest car to find a Cadillac converter on. You know that, right?
I had that mother since high school. I got the car. I mean the truck in high school and the car in college.
Well, look here, peoples. I hate to make that my first car review, but that shit was bussin'. It was bussin'. So it was busting out the frame. The tires about to bust when he rolled down the street.
That car came with 2 Swisher Sweets and a revolver.
What car they talking about?
His car came.
Oh, you got a Crown
Oh,
Vic?
wait a minute.
I've been had that boy. I've been had
That car came with a suspended license and 6 tickets.
Hey, you get a suspended license?
And 6 tickets, yeah. Matter of fact, that car came 3 deep already. All it needed was a driver and then loaded. Damn 4 flats. That car came
Damn,
with 2
son,
tires
where'd
in
you
the trunk
find
and they both
this?
4 flats. Where the car at? It was hiding around the backside of the building.
It's around the corner next to the dumpster.
Next to
Oh,
the
it's not
dumpster.
working.
It's next to his family member.
But it's parked out the way.
It's next to his relatives. Hey, you better move that car, trash day tomorrow. You don't want to get a mistake and pick it up. I'm just saying, man.
Where
you
your
gotta
whip
be
at that
careful
time,
out
my fam?
It's over on the side of the
here. Hey, so,
Why you parked over there?
hey, listen, so I wouldn't trade your car for my leg any day. I keep my leg just
Bro,
like
this
this.
nigga got 2 Benzes, bro. Y'all talking about he came in on the light day.
Hey, nah, like that, these nuts. That car need help. That car came with a respirator, emergency key.
Go look at this car.
No, don't
That's
take your
what
eyes
I'm
off
saying.
the
No,
thing.
you
Thing
gonna
on.
dig
He said
this.
it came with a suspended license.
Yes.
How a car come with?
Look, why they
What's up, fam?
And they
Damn, do that bitch get you from A to B and C? I don't need to go see this car.
Bro. It. You might go to jail with him. Fucking
You
around.
didn't want to be.
That car been on, what's that show where niggas be snitching?
First 48?
Yeah, that car been on all those crime scenes.
Bruh.
That car came with them bullet tags where they show 1 bullet, this bullet 39, bullet 42. That car got Hey, that car been in every local robbery in your neighborhood. Excuse me, sir, your car matched the description of a robbery just took place. Where it took place at? It was in California, but it's the same damn car. Golly.
Hey, you know what's so
Renzo, you better not ever pick a girl to go on a date in that damn car. I'm talking about your relationship is over and she ain't being shallow either, nigga. She just being safe.
it's so bad, man.
It's a hit.
I didn't even want to ride my pistol
ride
Boy,
with
you
no
better
gun.
not.
You better not ride with
Ooh-wee.
no gun. And you legal. You still better not
Bruh.
ride with no. That car make you all the way illegal, nigga.
Bruh.
You ain't got no felony, nigga. You still go to jail.
I guarantee you, do not eat. No, you could be legal, 100% legal, bro. Do not ride with your thing in that car. Cause if they pull you over, it ain't gonna be no turn the car off. Do you have your license and registration? It's gonna be get the fuck out the car with their guns drawn.
I ain't even gonna lie, man.
Ah!
I ain't even gonna lie. I walked around the corner.
Yeah.
First word came out my mouth was damn. That's the first thing I said was damn. Then I walked around some. I'm like, bro, hell nah. That ain't your car. What car that is?
Hey, man,
That's his car.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you though.
Bro, that's not his car.
I'm gonna tell you that car.
You ain't
I know
see,
this nigga.
see his motorcycle helmet in there?
Hey, that car has been through the woodwork. Listen, that
Nah,
car.
I've been through more than Woodward.
Hey,
I'm not even. See, they was trying to be funny.
Hold on.
I'm for real. Like that car does come with a dead body in the trunk.
Hey,
Nah,
listen.
for real.
A
Hey,
bit of
listen,
this
that
one.
car done been in your every local
Like when I
ride.
said Crown Vic, I'm like, shit, I had the meanest bitch round this car.
A bitch just set that car on fire before.
Hey.
Am I lying?
Car?
And it didn't
The
fit
hood.
that car at all. It just used to this type of stuff.
Wow.
Oh, that's a
He
Where's
said-
your Mercedes truck?
He said, "Why are you in it?"
I sold that motherfucker. I sold the
So
truck.
that's your car that you drive now.
I got the Benz car too. I still got the Benz car. I just don't. I ain't doing nothing with it. That car was actually in my backyard.
Put it back in there.
The neighbors started fucking with the neighbors started fucking with the
You want to bring it to my house?
Shit.
We can park the Honda the Honda park too. We can put them bitches right beside
I'm
each
gonna tell
other.
you about that car. That car really not safe, bro. Every time you pull up to a nigga at
I'm
nighttime,
surprised
they
he-
grab their gun like,
Yeah,
oh shit.
I start clutching my
You
heel.
gotta
What?
be careful how you pull up to a light.
I'm
and they
telling
know
you,
that somebody
boy.
gonna think you trying to rob them.
You gotta be careful in that thing,
That
bro.
car is scary. That car make you listen. If we shoot you while you in that car, they gonna get off. You know why? Because they was scared for their life, nigga. And they got every reason to be scared. That's a self-defense car.
I tell you what, that car come with an automatic chopper.
Yeah, I bet it do. I bet it do. It need to be chopped down. Shit, you need to take it right on to that scale and chop all the metal off that bad boy.
I know you don't get that bitch registered.
No,
That
hell
hoe is not
no. Registered. The only
That hoe is not registered.
Nah, that car ain't gonna never be
I'm gonna
registered.
sell that bitch with no title in it.
On my mama, yeah.
Listen, that
You
car
have
didn't even
to.
come with a title.
$1,100.
I got a title for it though. It's at the house.
That car
I'm
didn't
gonna
even
sell
come
it
with a title. What paperwork? Man, only
Damn.
thing you can get brakes for that car. They gonna be like, listen, man, this thing is discontinued.
Hey,
That shit came with a bail amount.
Nah, for real. Hey, you get that car.
I
you
hated I
gotta
walked
bail
around
money.
there, bro. I should just stay out of it.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you what that movie should have been. That car should have been and set it off. Like, all right, y'all ready to go out with a bang?
they had to drop the car with the hydraulics on it.
What motor you got in there? That's the first thing I said. I said, you must got a bad ass motor in
This
that
a
bitch.
VA police interceptor though.
It's a 305.
You redid the motor?
Nah, that's the old police car.
Oh, so it's the same motor that was in there?
Yeah, but
So it still got some up to it.
Yeah.
How was it running?
Shit, like it been sitting
Like a lawnmower.
Yeah, it really like I gotta get that gas up out of that first. So I'm about to run out of gas up out of
That
there.
thing run like an old Ford pickup truck that ain't been crunk up in 2
Hey, you know what? Put the line of charge up there, nigga.
He said, line the charger
Line
up.
the charge.
The only way I line that charge up next to that car is if I'm coming to help you pull it.
That's the charger.
Cause that shit ain't gonna do nothing. That shit probably don't even read how much gas in there, so you gonna have to fill up first before you even take off.
Oh, damn, bro.
Tell the
Do
truth,
it?
look,
Do it read the gas?
look,
Yeah,
hell
dude.
no.
It do.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you one thing. That car got a goddamn remote start on it too, nigga. Goddamn remote start on it too, nigga. Goddamn remote start on it too, nigga. Goddamn remote start on it too, nigga.
He got a remote starter. Nigga, that car ain't got no starter on it.
Hey, man.
You gotta roll it, put that in gear.
Damn.
I'm tell you what.
Man, on other news, my boy Fresh one time for the one
You
time.
feel me? It's Tyson, the Golden Glove champ. You hear me?
All I
Tyson,
know
what's your Instagram, man?
TNT Tyson.
Check my boy out, TNT Tyson on top of one time.
The Nets up and coming hit hard here. You hear me?
What do you fight?
Yeah, it can, son.
You want to put the gloves on after this? I'm serious. You want to put the gloves on after this? You want to spar a little bit? I'm serious.
You go box one, Kelly?
I'm about with
All right.
my shit about to die. What's up, peoples? It's your boy. Begins with an L, ends with an L, Lavanzel. I bet you never saw nobody start a video like that. I got caught in the middle of grabbing a burger real quick. That thing juicy, you know, that Sonics one time is not a sponsored video. I wish it was. Sonics, if you want to sponsor me, holla at me. I'm your boy. But look, before you guys watch this video that you clicked on, I'm gonna say this. I want to say this. Now, this is my boy, partner at the barber shop. We clown on each other all day, every day. It's out of love. I don't know what other like YouTubers that you guys be watching, when they clown each other, it just seems a little different. It sounds like they really making fun of the people that they be around. I ain't gonna say no names in this video, but if you want to know what I'm talking about, go ahead and click on that next video. I'll put it up here, or I'll put it in the description down below. I'll put the link in the description. But this is all in fun. This is my boy Zoe, dope barber, one of the dopest I done seen since I've been here. But I just want to let y'all know this is all in love. This is no hate. You know, he probably gonna get on me one of these days. He probably gonna get on my boy Fat one of these days, because they was going in and they go in all the time. They've known each other longer than I've known them. They've known each other for a couple years now. So it's all love. But enjoy the video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe, and comment on the video. Let me know how y'all feel about these jokes, man. Yeah.